Vlog part 2. You're a hot cheetah.
Damn, look, I look like Mona Lisa right now. Hold on.
We in the ghetto. We're in the ghetto. Let's make a montage.
We're done. And every day I see you on your own, and I can't believe that you're alone. But I overheard your girls, and this is what they said, that you're looking for a boyfriend. I see that. Give me time, you know I'm gonna be that. Don't be scared to go, put your trust in me. Can't you see, all I really wanna be is your boyfriend. Can't fight that. Knock me down, you know I'm coming right back. I don't hear it all, what you done before. All I really want is to be your boyfriend, your boyfriend, your boyfriend. Let me take a little moment to find the right word. So when I kick it to you, it ain't something that you've heard. I don't know what kind.
It's a great big store, but you follow the aisle.
You've never
and
been to
it shows you like what was that one that wouldn't want to take?
That's my bad. I'm just standing here. Turn. Can you use...
What's his deal?
Should I straighten my hair too?
Uh-oh. Stinky poop. Poopies. Funny poopies. La 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 la.
Here. One. I get ready. I ran from way behind you. I'm sorry, he was recording. You guys, show them the woods. It's really ran over. Yeah, I can't see. We're gonna count a fucking thing. Holy fucking shit. We only have 30 minutes. Our grandma is screaming at us. She was screaming at us. Oh my god!